Now let us make the process. This is the drawing for the process. Observe the drawing carefully. We have two views. There are two brushes, the top one and the bottom one. We will create one, copy that, and that copy we'll use for making the other. So let us make this first. You can see the shape. If this is the front view, then this has to be the right hand side view, and it's a sectional right hand side view. So you can see the detail. All right. This is a ring like thing, another ring, and in between the semi cylindrical portion. And for this, you have a dotted line here. So there are various methods of making the model for this. We are going to use the revolve method. We'll draw the section and revolve it by 180 degrees above the axis. So let us do that. New part, standard millimeter, create. We start with the sketch, draw on the front plane, and project geometry, y axis, x axis, the center point. And now we'll construct this as one rectangle. We just want this much, okay, and then we will revolve that. So we'll construct this as one rectangle, and then accordingly we give the dimensions using the dimensions and using the constraints part. So this is 25 from the center, and this is 32, and the top portion is 38. Rectangle. What is this length? 64 plus 10 plus 10 on this side, 84. So this is what we want here, 84. Okay, 84. And then let us say we are taking the axis here. So we'll make the changes, and then we are drawing the rectangle here, this one, much above the axis, 25. 25. 25 above. And we make this symmetrical. And the axis. We have drawn this. We have drawn this. What is the difference? 25 and 38. 38 minus 25. 13. So 13. This is 13. 13. Done. And how much is this below? 32 minus 25. 7. And how much? 10, 10. 10. And then 7 down. And then 64. And then again 7. So that very close. Now 18. This is double. Vertical is double. We don't keep the dimensions here. Now we will revolve this about this axis. So finish stage, revolve, and by 180, select the axis, this axis. Let's say flip this. Okay. So this is one brush. Just check with the drawing. Different. Yes. If we get the drawing for this, uh, you got from the front, it is hollow. Let us say from the back. Now we'll get the correct drawing. All right. This is all right. Now, what is there remaining? This groove. We'll do it later on. First, save this as brass one. Now we'll do one thing. We'll save this as save as brush two. So that will make a copy. This is brush two. Now say this is a brush two. It has a snug 7 millimeters long and 6 millimeters the diameter. It's a cylindrical snug. We have to make that on this surface at the center. So this is the front. What is back? Okay. We will create a plane or reference plane tangent to the surface and parallel to the plane. This is the curved surface. We want to make a plane tangent to this work plane. And second option, it is asking for or to which plane it should be parallel. It should be parallel to this. Yes, done. Done. Now we will draw a sketch on this. Here we will project the axis, y-axis, and x-axis, and then we'll draw a circle here at the center. Diameter is 6. It has drawn 6 millimeter diameter, and it is a positive projection. That is a snug. Height is a 7. So finish sketch and extrude. How much? 7 millimeters. It has extruded on the other side. Okay. We'll again edit. Oh, we flip this side. And okay. So snug is done. Snug is created. This is right. Fine. Save this. Now open the first brush. Brush one, open. We have to make a hole there instead of snug. What are the dimensions? It's a counter sink, 8 millimeter diameter, 4 millimeter diameter, and 2 millimeter is the depth of the counter sink. For that process is similar. Mm, create a plane tangent to the surface parallel to the plane. This is the cut surface. We want a plane parallel to this, tangent to this, and parallel to this one. Now we'll draw sketch on this. On project geometry, origin, center point, z axis, x and y and x. Okay. Then finish the whole simple whole countersink and through no, it has some depth. Yeah, it is a two hole, two hole. And this is 8, 8. This is 4, 4. We don't have an angle here. Instead of that, so we'll do one thing. Oh, we'll select this one. Ah, this 8, this 4, 5, 5, and depth is 2. Yeah, because they have given the depth and not the angle. So they mean to have this kind of hole only. They have to select the center. Okay, I need to flip it. I just take it. I think let us try this. Yeah, this works. We have got that hole at the required position. Fine. Say this. So we have made both the process in this way. Thank you.